Alright YouTube, welcome to my channel. This is my 2002 GMC Sierra 2500 HD with a Duramax 6.6. Nobody else is gonna fucking do. Let's make a cold start video. This truck's got an AEM cold air intake system, EGR delete, magnaflow muffler with the dual exhaust tips. Four-wheel drive. I traded a 2005 Grand Prix GTP for this truck. AEM cold air intake, PPE, boost increase valve, EGR deleted. Halo projection headlights. Aftermarket taillights. Badass sticker. And I'm in Michigan. Today is Thursday, November 14th. I haven't started this truck in about 24 hours. Just had to put new thermostats in it because it wouldn't get up above fucking 160. And that is my truck, guys. Thanks for watching.